He was born a slave, and yet he became a man who could read the stars and command time itself. In a quiet corner of Joseon, there lived a young boy. His name was Jang Yeong-sil. He was born into the lowest class, a status that denied him even the right to dream of serving the court. But there was something different about his eyes. While others simply lived their days, he looked upward, tracing the patterns of the stars. He watched water flow, not just as it moved, but as something to be understood. He longed to uncover the hidden rules of the world. And eventually, his talent could no longer remain unseen. Word of the boy reached the king of Joseon, King Sejong. "I will judge not by status, but by ability." With those words, the king summoned him to the palace, and from that moment on, Jang Yeong-sil's life changed forever. Inside the royal court, his ideas began to take shape. He created the water clock, Jagyakru, a device that allowed people to know the time precisely and equally. He built the armillary sphere, Hanshanu, revealing the movements of the heavens, bringing order to the stars and to time itself. He even invented the rain gauge, Chugugi, measuring the rain that fell upon the land. His creations were not for power, but for the people. He made the invisible visible. He captured what once could not be held, time, weather, the sky, so that all could live better together. But glory does not always last. One day, while constructing a royal carriage for the king, something went terribly wrong. The carriage collapsed, and the blame fell entirely on Jang Yeong-sil. In an instant, everything he had built, his position, his honor, was taken from him. He disappeared quietly from the records of history, and for a time it seemed as though his name would be forgotten. But time has a way of remembering what truly matters. Even now, we measure the rain, we tell the time, we observe the sky. And in all these moments, his legacy remains. A man who rose beyond the limits of his birth and changed the world. Jang Yeong-sil. He may have vanished from history, but the time he created still flows on.
Curious about Korean history? If you have questions about Korea, please like, comment, and subscribe!